The open joint stock company Tikhoretsk Machine Construction Plant, named after Václav Vorovsky. It is founded in 1899 as a steam engine workshop and developed by the middle of the 20th century to a well-known machine-building enterprise. Nowadays has acquired rich experience of over half a century in designing and production of highly efficient track machines specialized for construction, repair, electrification and current maintenance of railway lines. The plant has the newest equipment and is implementing its traditional and reliable manufacturing processes, thus ensuring production of high-quality track vehicles. All the products bearing the TMCP Vorovsky trademark are in effective use on the railways and industrial enterprises of Europe, Asia, Africa, Central America, all over Russia and CIS countries, and all existing climatic zones, from hot African deserts to Arctic frosts of the far north regions. During 60 years of machine building history, the plant has manufactured over 28,000 items of track vehicles. TMCP Vorovsky. Leadership on track. Our multifunctional railway vehicles works all over the world. I really do believe that our duty bound is to produce dependable machines permitting to perform main priority operations of the railway maintenance. Our aim was to design a self-propelled railway vehicle, allows to perform passing over the minimum curved tracks and to decrease the railway damaging effects. We solved the problem using a 4-axle base. The cargo handling and transportation vehicle MPT-G is classified as heavy track machine. The MPT-G is equipped with a telescopic crane assembly and a hydraulic articulated crane. The MPT-G long frame makes it possible to transport tools and materials on its own deck and to install various attachments on it. For the purpose of replacement of MPT-4 vehicle, which has proven in practice its excellent performance, the cargo handling and transportation vehicle MPT-6 was designed having general-purpose construction, which makes it possible to widen the functionality of the railway vehicle with the help of various detachable equipment and rigging. This railway vehicle has demonstrated an excellent performance in the most hard usage conditions. The MPT-6 power unit is positioned under the frame, so as to use the wall deck area behind the cabin for transportation of cargoes, including rail sleepers and track service tools. The console crane has increased cargo capacity up to 6.3 tons. We succeed in development of a machine, which is demanded at various market segments because of its multi-purpose design. The traction model for underground railways and industrial enterprises is one of the recent developments of our company. It is very important to make the vehicle driver feel safe and comfortable during work. This is realized by means of thoroughly developed cabin ergonomics, which results in more safe vehicle operation during traveling and while working on site. The TM230 units is a light vehicle track. It is perfectly fits for operation in underground conditions or at small industrial enterprises. This machine is basically intended to perform any shunting operations for transportation of track service teams, provision of power supply to the consumers, transportation of cargoes on its own deck. This is one of the most used in the world serial railway vehicle. The machine has simple and extremely reliable design and very attractive price. Efficiency of this railway vehicle is measured by thousands of kilometers of railways. The vehicle 1 ADM 1.3 catenary line maintenance vehicle can be used for the whole complex of works concerning mounting, maintenance and repair in the overhead contact line system. 1 ADM 1.3 vehicle is equipped with a 5-ton crane having detachable cradles, which can be used to perform any mounting, repair or emergency reconstruction operations on the adjacent railway line. The insulated lifting platform is intended for repair works for energized catenary system. The railcar AMD 1.3, which has thoughtful in-detail design, actually means shift to absolutely new level of production quality. It is developed for a Norway company and specially intended for operations in severe climatic conditions. The catenary line constructions and maintenance vehicle ADM 1.3 cm is manufactured in full conformity with the UIC requirements. It is equipped with the maximum number of European constituent parts: main diesel motor, Komatsu pneumatics, bell-finger crane and lifting platform. Having small overall dimensions, the machine has all operative members and tools required for mounting, maintenance and repair of the overhead contact line structures. Availability of manipulator crane, a lifting platform and pantograph makes a vehicle quite indispensable during construction and maintenance on the catenary system. Proper safety of the vehicle operations is ensured by Norbrem's brake equipment. These type of railway vehicles are in great demand nowadays and will remain in demand in future. TMCP Vorovsky, leadership on track.